Hi guys, thanks for dropping in. Welcome to the channel, I'm Rick, and this is just a short video about the really exclusive KTM 890 Adventure R Rally. There's only 700 of them in the world. They come completely tricked out with a load of Powerparts kit bits as standard, plus the really super uprated shock and suspension, the WP XPLOR Pro. But yeah, there's a few photos, a few video clips around the bike. Like I say, the exclusivity on this bike, there's only 700 in the world. You had to basically get online and first come first serve when the doors open to put your order in, and they're all sold out now anyway. You won't see many around. So yeah, I've got my hands on one and I thought I'd take the opportunity to share it with you. Okay, cheers guys.
Overall, fully loaded with all the bits and pieces you'd want on it, but obviously you pay a price for that and for the exclusivity. So just shy of 21 grand, and only 700 in the world, so choice is yours.